Hey guys, welcome back. This is Leena. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing really well. So in today's video, we're going to try something different. It's the tissue paper eyeshadow hack, and I saw this on YouTube and TikTok. I saw some person do it, and I thought, Ari, this is really cool. We should try it. And also because it's Pride Month now, so we're going to do this rainbowy kind of an eyeshadow look. I'm going to try this, so let's try it. And please excuse my hair. I'm just having a bad hair day. So whatever, lockdown hai, parlor band hai, excuse my hair. Anyway, we're gonna start now, yay! So as you can see, I've already done my base, everything from my brows to like blush and everything's done. For my eyelids, I'm gonna take a light foundation, or you can take any concealer also, and just put it on your eyelids so that the eyeshadow color will be like really nice and bright. You can use like an eyelid primer also. So this is what I'm taking. This is by Forever 21. So the shade is FLF 011. Okay, this is really light, almost like whitish, like बहुत light. So I'll just use this first. Then I'll take my beauty blender and just blend it अच्छे से, so that there are no lines or anything. So once this is done, we'll move on to the eyeshadow. So just take your tissue paper, crumble it like this, and then okay, so we'll just take like essay this part and just put the eyeshadow. So the eyeshadow palette that I'll be using today is by Makeup Revolution, and this is the Maxi Reloaded palette. It's really fancy and has almost all the colors possible. So before I put my eyeshadow, I'm just taking loose powder. This is by Maybelline. This is the Fit Me one. So I'll just place it under my eyes so that there are no fallouts. So I know I look like a complete fool, but it's okay. Okay, so now I'm gonna take my eyeshadow palette, and then let's do this. So I'm not using the same tissue, I'm using another one. Okay, just crumble it. Ab hai purple ki bari. Here. I think it's kind of cool. Like it. This color glow stamp lagao. Okay, that was purple. Now red. But because I have a little more space, so I think I'll put green and then red and then yellow. ठीक है, तो green. So it's time for red. थोड़ा सा टेढ़ा हो गया. Now it's time for yellow. So done with my eyeshadow. This is what it looks like. Let me just put some mascara and then I'll show you this complete look. So this is my complete look. Okay, I'll come close and show you. tell me if you liked it. I mean, please comment and let me know if you like this look. Yes, no. If you're in the mood of doing something experimental, you want to have fun, then you should try this. I don't know if I'll like go out with this. ऐसे लग रहा है कि बच्चे ने ऐसे कुछ कलर लगा दिया या होली खेल के आई हूँ. I don't know. But y'all tell me, अच्छा लगा नहीं लगा, experiment मेरा कैसा था. And if there's any more questions, anything, do let me know in the comment section below. And happy Pride Month, and I'll see you soon, guys. Bye.